All right. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the live show. This is the show where we discuss everything about crypto trading to make you a profitable trader. And currently, what I'm looking at is this particular token right now. Okay. So this token actually went up, above our expectation because we're looking at getting a rejection at this area of 1.1, okay, $1.1, but we actually shoot up above that, and then the area we shoot up to is around, okay, we started reversing from around 1.15, okay, but I'm still looking at this area, guys. I'm still looking at this that is $1.18, okay, for RIN. Still looking at $1.18, okay. I still look at that area as a possible area where this token can actually get up to. Okay. Yeah. So we started paying attention to this token when it was around $1.05. Okay. That is $1.05 and all of that. So for all of you who longed this token, okay, congrats to you. And believe you made some profit, but let's see if we get to that level. Okay, but we started having a massive rejection here. If you are shorting this token already, great. You should be in profit and all of that. All right, but I'm still looking at this area here. Okay, I'm still looking at this area here as a possibility to short. All right, I'm still looking at this area here as a possibility to go short on this market. All right, so let's see how this plays out. All right. We're in the weekend, so we may have a pullback, to that area there before rejecting back down to the, this area of $1 or beyond, below $1 and all of that. All right. So that is currently what I'm looking at for the RIN token. So I'll be looking at lower time frame and see how this plays out. Okay. And see how this plays out before I actually make decisions in the market right now. All right, so let me look at what you have on the chat. Yeah, good morning, Kojo. It's been a while. Okay, I've not seen you on the live show. So yeah, good morning. You want us to look at ASTR? Let's look at that and see ASTR USDT. So for ASTR, okay, look at that. Let me go higher. Okay, so we just broke above this area. We broke above our 200-day moving average. So the next area of resistance that we can be looking at right now will be, that area up there. Okay, we can use that area of there, anything between the 0.063 to that 0.05 as our area of resistance. Right. So currently we are above the 200-day moving average. So 200-day moving average will be serving as our support right now. And for this trade, what should we do right now? Okay, yeah. So if I go to lower time frame, guys, I still see this token going up. Okay, I still see this token going up, guys. So for me, what I will be doing is I'm not going to say short right now. Okay, I'm not going to say short right now. I can actually short here and come back down here. But what if you short and then it goes back up? Okay, so I'll be looking to short this trade and anything around this area of 0.063 to 0.065. Okay, those are the areas where I possibly will be looking for a short trade. All right, that is the areas where I should be looking for a short trade right now. So right now I'm not doing anything. I'll wait for this to play out, guys. Okay, so you see that we are creating, more higher highs and all of that. So yeah. All right. So you can wait to take a short trade, maybe at 0.063. Okay, 0.063 and all of that. But the bigger picture would be to look at this area. This area will be my area of interest where I'll be looking for a rejection, and then I'll target this other resistance that has become a support right now. Okay, so that is the setup I'll be looking at. You can enter a long trade right now. Okay, with the hope that you get 2% from here. Okay, that is almost 8% move. That is, if this token continue to go up to that area, that is almost 8% move. You can actually take a long trade here. Okay, yeah, you can take a long trade here and target around 0.063 up to around that 0.065 if you want to enter this trade right now. That is personally what I should be looking at for this token. Okay, remember that this pump we're having here is backed by volume, so it means that this token will continue to go up. Okay, so if you want to enter a long trade right now, you can do that. Okay, we can go to lower time frame and look. Yeah, you can do a long setup here. You can do a long setup here, but personally, I will not be, entering any trade right here. So you can do a long setup there and target that area there. I'm not doing any trade right now. When it gets to this level, I want to, go ahead and take a short trade for that particular token. Okay. So that is what I personally will be doing for that. And then for OP USDT, let's look at what we have for OP. Okay, so if you set up a trigger, if you set up a limit order here, all right, that trade should be triggered right now. We are within that range of, that trend line. Okay, yeah, we are at that trend line right now. So I don't know if this weekend is going to be a bullish one or a bearish one, and all of that. This all depends on how BTC react to this. BTCs are currently at 29,300, okay, $380 and all of that. So here, okay, I'll be entering a long trade for OP. All right, I'll be entering a long trade for OP because we are at that trend line right now. But remember, we broke below the 200-day moving average. Okay, we're hoping that the OP would have held up to this area here, but we broke below that. So I want to see OP play out this way, that it comes, okay, gradually, maybe comes back to this area of $1.80 again. And if not, okay, we'll be looking to be shorting OP to the downside. So right now at that trend line, we want a rejection there, back up, okay? So at that trend line, we want a rejection to the upside, guys. Okay, so what I will personally do is to be looking for a long trade. Let me see. Yeah, we want to have a bounce at that trend line, just like we bounced there, went up. Okay, we want to bounce again and maybe create a new all-time high to like, break above this resistance and maybe go to $2 plus and all of that. All right. So I'll be looking for a long setup for OP. I'll be looking for a long setup for OP right now. So even if I go to the 15 minutes time frame, that is exactly what I'll be doing. Okay. I'm going to be taking a trade to the upside, but with a very tight stop loss, because if this breaks above below the trend line, then this setup is no longer valid. Right? If it breaks below the trend line, then this setup is no longer valid. All right. So if we break and then have a retest of that trend line lower there, then it will be, looking for, guys, I'm going to be looking for, a trade to the upside here. So alternatively, what you can do is to plot your trend line. Let's do that on the 15 minutes time frame. Plot your trend line right here. Okay, and wait for a break of that trend line. Let's just look at this current market situation here. Okay, so to confirm that this will go up, all right, when we break this trend line, what I want to see is a break of this trend line this way. All right, maybe we'll come back down there, then we go up. That is exactly what I personally will be looking at for a long setup. Then I'll be ready to enter a trade around there. And then the next target, you can, take this to as high as $2 and all of that. All right. You just wait for it to play out. So I'll be setting a limit order for this and then put my stop loss just close. Okay. In case we break below that area, I'll put my stop loss very close in case we break below this trend line. Then I'll be looking, if we break below the trend line, I'll be looking for, an opposite direction to the downside. But if we bounce here, then I'll be taking this trade to the upside. So for OP, I'm going to be, looking at for a long setup for OP USDT. All right. Yeah, Nazir, good morning. Good morning and welcome. Okay. Yeah, good morning. Blessings to you, guys. Okay, blessings to you too. Shiba Inu, yes, Shiba. I don't know what was the setup we had on that ship again. Let's look at that. I think it would have triggered. Okay, for those of you who set limit orders for that, I did not set limit orders, so I woke up this morning and then noticed that that Shiba Inu actually, had a pump to that area we were looking at. All right, I think it's even above the area also. Okay, yes, this is the area, the setup, all right? I told us if we do not reject here, then the next level we should be looking at is this area here. All right, I think we have it. We had the setup there. Let me go that. Yes, that is the setup we had yesterday. So if you actually set up this, okay, to short Shiba Inu, though it didn't get to that entry level of 0.0116, okay, but Shiba Inu had started reversing from 0.0113, okay, 0.0113. But currently, what I'm looking at right now is Shiba Inu is with the RSI, okay, is already overbought. All right. Shiba Inu is like with the RSI, we are around 80 plus on a daily, 4 hours time frame and all of that. So it's sell for me, guys. All right. This is the resistance I'm looking at, right? This is the resistance I'm looking at right now. And then we are slightly just below that level. Okay. Yeah. This is where Shiba Inu pumped to at 0.0113. And then we're looking at entering a short trade at 0.0116. So for Shiba Inu, okay, for Shiba Inu, are we looking to short this market if we pump back to this area, okay? So this setup is still very much valid, all right? That setup is still valid because we broke this other level we're looking at, went up that way. So I still see if this doesn't come down to the 200-day moving average, guys, then I see Shiba Inu coming back up to this level at 116, okay? 0.0116. That is the level where I'll be looking to short this trade. But if you want to short right now, you are at, at your own will to do that. I'm not going to say, but short or long right now. Shiba Inu, I'm not doing anything right now, okay? So I'll wait for it to come back down here, all right? To come back up here at 0.00. That's my major area of resistance right now. That is where I'll be looking to short Shiba Inu, okay? Though we are close to that area, but I'll be looking to short Shiba Inu at that area up there, all right? Yes, that's exactly what I'll be doing right now. So I don't have any trade for Shiba Inu right now until it gets to that level. If it doesn't get to that level, it means that I've missed that one already, and then we look for another entry. Okay, for Doge, we're looking at this area here. We didn't get down to that area, so let's take this off. And then the next area was the 200-day moving average. Guys, we are just at that 200-day moving average. So right now, the 200-day moving average is serving as a support, okay? 200-day moving average is serving as a support. So you can be looking for another entry at this level here, all right? You can be looking for long entries at this level. Remember, we just broke, okay? We broke already above this trend line we drew here. All right. So for long setup for the Shiba Inu, right? Sorry, for Dogecoin, what I'll be looking at is this token. Let's go to a lower time frame and get a clearer picture of what we should be looking at for for Doge right now. So my long setup here will be let me bring this up, okay? So what I want to see for Doge, I want to see it come back down this area and reject. Okay, we are looking at the 200-day moving average, guys. So I want to see a rejection here at 0.0575, and then I'm taking a trade to the upside. So I'll come in here and bring my long position through and put it down there. All right, so your entry should be at that area of 0.07520. Okay, yeah, so the target should be the next area there. Okay, yeah, we equally pay attention to this area of 0.06, but if you want to take it higher, you can go to a higher time frame, guys. Go to a higher time frame and target this other resistance level at 0.081. Okay, 0.081. That's what I'll be looking at. So pick a trade down there when it gets back there. Okay, and then you take it up. That is what I'm looking at for Doge. All right, so I'm building a position now for a long trade for Doge. Okay, yeah, so for Doge, you can copy the setup, guys. Okay, let me go to the lower time frame so that you'll be able to copy the setup for the entry. Put your stop loss just below in case this market goes, goes against us or goes below that 200-day moving average. Okay, so we can put our stop loss at let's do like a 2%. Yeah, let me do a 2%. 2% will give us at zero. Stop loss will be 0.073. Okay, entry is 0.05. Okay, 20, and then take profit will be around 0.081. Okay, 08. All right, so copy that. If you are done with that, then we can go to the next. All right, Franklin, you're welcome to the live show, guys. Now do me a favor by smashing that like button, guys. Okay, smash that like button. All right, just click on that like button. All right. Thank you so much. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you love what we are doing here. All right. That is the encouragement, part of the encouragement you give me for doing this daily, guys. Okay. All right. So if you take any trade and you win, you lose, please always share your P&Ls, all right? Let's see what was wrong, what was right, and all of that, and then we'll be able to adjust to all of that. Okay. And the next token, okay, if you are done with Dogecoin, let's go back to Ethereum and see what Ethereum is currently doing. Even for Ethereum too, I don't know about this weekend. I don't know about this weekend. I don't know, but anything can happen, guys. Okay, anything can happen. We're just waiting until when we break all of these levels here. All right. So for Ethereum, if we can actually get lower to that 1,800 level, I'll be looking to long. Okay. Remember, I drew this yesterday that if we break above this trend line, looking at this area here, okay. So looking at this area currently, that if we break above the trend line and all of that, we should be looking for a long trade. Okay. This is what we were looking at yesterday. So a break above this area, we should be looking for a long trade. But as it stands right now, we've not broken above it. Okay. We are just at the verge of breaking and all of that, but we haven't yet. Okay. So this is this area, this way, descending wedge here. That's what I'm looking at. Okay, so if we break above that area, look at this area here at 1,000. Let's say our entry for Ethereum for a long trade would be anything 1,850 or even 860. Okay, you should be looking for a long trade. But if not, then the opposite will be the case. Okay, let's say we come back, we reject at this level we are currently trading now. Okay, and then we'll come down to this area, then we can short and then be looking for a long entry at $1,815 and all of that. All right. So let's see how this plays out. All right. Let's see how this plays out. If you break above this area, guys, take it to the upside and you can target 1,880 or even 1,900. But if we break below this area, then you can be taking Ethereum to around $1,815. Okay. So let me just give you those setup right now. For a long trade, take a trade above this area. Okay, a trade above that area, guys. All right, and then target that up there. Maybe you put your stop loss just slightly below. All right, you can do whatever you want with your stop loss. All right, then anything below that area here will be to take a trade and then target this area down here. Okay, and then when we get back to this area, you should be taking a trade to the upside. Okay, when we get back to this area down here at 1,800, you should be taking a trade to the upside. Okay, and something like that. Okay, so pay attention. Either of these will happen. All right, either we break below and continue to go down, or we break above and go up. So either of these will happen. Pay attention to this wedge here. All right, pay attention to this wedge here, and then any of these that we break, whether up or down, you take a trade. But my long setup, okay, my overall long setup will be at that 1,800 level if we come down to that level. All right. So that's what currently I'm looking at for Ethereum Freeborn. Yeah, it's been a while too. How are you? Yeah, we just looked at Shiba Inu. Okay, we just looked at Shiba Inu, and I told us that for sheep, you should be looking to, I'm so pained right now because Pepe did, after closing my trade, Pepe has been pumping and pumping and pumping and all of that. So okay, so sheep, we say, look at that level up there. Shiba Inu, yeah, that's my entry. Okay, I'm not doing anything right now. If Shiba Inu gets to that level of 11, okay, 0.0116, I'm going to be shorting, okay? Shiba Inu may be descending from here, okay? It may be coming down from here, maybe until we get to this level and all of that. I'm not sure yet, but a good entry level will be at this point here, okay? A good entry level will be at that point there for me, all right? So my short trade will still be okay. I have that set up here already. My short trade will still be from there down there, all right? My short trade will still be from there down there. Let's see how the weekend plays out, all right? If it gets there, you can take a trade down and all of that. Otherwise, just look at the quick scalping and remember the pump here is equally backed by volume. We have a lot of volume coming into Shiba Inu and all of that. So all the pump there are backed by volume. Be careful, some don't go and just enter trades randomly and then you get stuck and all of that. Okay. All right. So for SVG, let's look at SVG. I think I saw that token on the gainers list. SVG has been pumping on the gainers list and all of that. Okay, so yeah, guys. Okay, this is what we're looking at initially when SVG had it pump here. So we had that rejection here. This played out, all right. And then ever since then, we've been dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping. So for SVG, we broke below that support level, and then right now we are creating a new lower level, which is down here, right? So maybe that will be serving as our support level right now. So for SVG, okay. So I can see our next level of support is down there. So for this trade right now, okay, so this previous support right here, right? This previous support right here is now serving as a resistance, okay? This previous support here, remember this was the support we're looking at before. So when we came down here, we broke below that area, and then here is now serving as our next support, okay? So we use this area as our next support. Here, okay, is now our resistance, right? So this area here is now resistance. Now rejecting from here means that we are coming back to this area here, okay? And then maybe from here we can bounce and go back up. So for a long setup, it will be above this area here, all right? Once we break above this area, we are going to be taking a trade to the upside and all of that, okay? But what I can do right now is to go ahead and, let's say I'm using a trend line, okay? If that rejection can actually start coming that back, let's say we just follow this trend line without, coming down to the support, okay? If we don't come back to this support level, it means that this trend line will continue to follow this trend line until maybe we break above this other resistance right here up there, okay? So if we have a rejection here, go back up and all of that, then you should be looking for a long setup. Right now, I don't do anything yet. Okay, don't do anything yet until we have a break of that trend line below and all of that, then you can. Let's say if this refuse, okay, just like we bounce here, bounce here, bounce here, we want to equally see a bounce here, okay? We want to equally see that bounce happen here, right? So if we come down, bounce here, then you should be looking for a long trade just like that until we break above this level, then you can still continue to keep your long position. But if not, okay, if we break below this area, then you should be looking for a short trade. So here, I'll just target that area and then maybe put that stop loss just close, okay? But if we see something like this, if the opposite happen, right? If we see something that comes and break this level and then we come back and use the trend line here as a resistance, okay? Then you should be looking at taking a trade back to this support area there, all right? So if that happens, then your short entry should be somewhere around that area, okay? And then you can target somewhere down here, all right? So use this trend line as your bid right now. If we break below that trend line, then take a trade to the downside. And then if we break, if we just reject at that trend line, okay, if we reject at that trend line, take a trade to the upside. And then your take profit, your first take profit will be this resistance level right now. And then when we break above that resistance, then you can look for a bigger picture of taking a trade to as high as, this level right here, okay, at 0.0052. Okay, so that is exactly what I'll be looking at for the SVG trade. Okay, that's what I'll be looking at for SVG, and let's see, how that plays out. All right, let's see how that plays out. So I think this token should be on my watch list because it's already on the watch list. Because I'll be paying attention to that and see how those things plays out. Okay. All right, guys. So what do we have next? What do we have next? What do we have next? So let's look at the next token there is TRU. Okay, so TRU USDT. Okay, so let me look at higher time frame for TRU. All right, so look at that. Okay. So here is our support where we had a bounce from. Okay, so we bounced from this support area, right? And then we already broke above this trend line. So right now, let's see where our setups will be. So we already broke, retest that trend line, and then we are going back up there. Okay, going back up there. So what would be our entries for this level? I don't know if we can continue to go up. Okay, I'm not sure yet, but what I should be looking at right now is let us do 15 minutes and see what's possible with this trade. Okay. So for me, I will allow this to play out. Maybe we'll come back to this area again. I'll be taking a trade from that area to the upside. So my long setup will be down here, and then we can target as high as possible. I'm not sure yet. Okay, BTC is still below 29,500. All right, BTC is still below 29,500. So wait for that to happen. I want to wait for this to pull back down a bit, and then we can take a trade to the upside. I'm not sure if this will continue to go up and up and up. Okay, if that happens, well, we can be change the setup for a new trade. But right now, guys, I'll wait for that to play out. Okay, I'll wait for this to play out. If this, in any way comes back down to this area, I'll be taking a trade to the upside. Exactly the what I'll be looking at for this particular trade. Okay, if this comes back to this area, I'll be taking a trade to the upside. All right. If it comes back to that area, I'll be taking a trade to the upside, guys. Yeah. So basically, that is what I'll be looking at for the TRU. All right. For TRU, that is what I'll be looking at. All right. So yeah, the next token there will be. Let me see. TRU should be on my watch list so that I'll be able to look at it later and see possible entries. Okay. The next token there will be 25 USDT. Okay. So what do you have here, guys? Okay, so here, let's say this area we pass here will be our support for now. And then we have that 200-day moving average level, but before then, we probably need to pay attention to these levels here, okay? Yeah, this area there, exactly at the 200-day moving average. That will serve as our, for now, we can use that as our resistance or our support. Okay, another area I need to pay attention to is this area here, right? This week we had down here because we actually, played around here before breaking down to that level. So I see this rejecting at that area, okay? So for now, for this particular trade, what I'll be looking at is first a short trade from here. That is, we'll get down up to that level, maybe put a stop loss just close above. Okay. Is it that I short this trade when we get up to that level of $4, okay, or at this level at the 200-day moving average of 4.2. So those are the two areas I was looking at, right? So I want to see this come to this area here and then reject from that area down there, okay? Or the area of this $4, okay, around $4, yes, around $4 area. Then we reject a bit, and then we'll take it down. So these are the options I have for this particular trade, okay? Those are the options that I personally have for this particular trade. So right now, let's see, because we need to come balance at that trend line before we continue this upward movement again and all of that. So I'll be looking to short here. Okay, you can go to a lower time frame like the 15 minutes, right? So yes, what I want to see play out right here is, this token comes up here, all right, comes up here to this area and then reject from that area, come back down here and bounce from the trend line again before we start going up. That is exactly what I'll be looking at. So my long setup is up here. Sorry. Okay, I had that setup here already. So my long setup is up there, and then not long setup. Okay, so I'll first short from here, right? I'll first short from that area, target area of $4. Okay, we'll target this area of 3.5. And then from this area, we can now start looking for a long trade to the upside. Okay, from this area, we can now start looking for a long trade to the upside. So that is exactly what I personally will be looking at for this particular token right here. All right. So link, yeah. How many of us shorted link yesterday? So if you shorted link yesterday, congrats to you. I think I said that signal on the group, right? Yeah, on the Telegram group, I sent that signal on the Telegram group. So if you shorted that trade, please send me your PNLs, okay? Either you send your PNLs to the group or you send it to me personally. If you cannot type on the group, send me your PNLs and let's look at it, okay? So for Link, it played out, but I think it has not hit the take profit level yet. But you should secure your profit, okay? Don't wait for those take profit level, guys. Secure your profit as soon as you can, all right? Okay, secure your profit as soon as you can, guys. What happened? Okay, let's go back to Link again. Link USDT. So secure your profit as soon as you can. Okay, yeah, that is the setup I was looking at yesterday for a short trade, and yeah, it's playing out. Okay, it's playing out, but it seems to be right now. It seems as if there's a hold up here for us. Okay, there is a hold up somewhere there. There is a hold up somewhere there. Okay. Yeah. But what I was looking at is, on the 4 hours time frame. Remember, I mentioned the swing trade, Abby. Yes, I think I did. It is a swing trade, so it means that it can take days or thereabout before it plays out, right? So I want to see Link come down to this level. I take profit will be around 7.2. Okay, so I want to see Link come down to this level, and then from here we can be taking a trade to the upside. Okay, so if Link comes down to this 7.2, from 7.2 we'll be taking a trade to the upside. That is exactly what I am looking at for Link. So let this be. I've already broke below that level. So let's see if we gradually come down until we get to the 7.2 level. But if not, make sure that you're securing your profit. Okay, so your take profit, you can set your stop loss, bring your stop loss to the entry. Okay, bring your stop loss to the entry and allow that trade to play out, guys. Allow the Link trade to play out. So if it comes down to this area here, then 7.2 would be the area we'll be looking at a long trade to the upside. Okay, I said we break below this area and continue to go down. Then if you continue to go down, you should be looking at the trend line or the 200-day moving average. Okay, I see it coming down, either bounce from here up or even at the trend line, and then we bounce and go up. All right, so that is for Link for you, yeah, Prince Vincent. Let's look at BLZ USDT. Let's look at what that token has for us right now. Okay, guys. So for this token, I'm going for a short right now. Okay. All right. So for this token, if you have not entered a trade yet, then you can, enter a trade right now. I see this. This is our resistance right there. Okay. So I'm going for a short for this trade. Let's look at what that currently holds right now. Okay, so BLZ is up here with over 1.9 million in the past 24 hours, and then up by around 89%. I'm sorry, 8.9% and all of that. So yeah, for BLZ, enter a short trade, guys. Okay. Yeah, just take a quick scalp for like a 10 to 20% move. Okay. You can wait for it to get back down to this level. Let's say your entry will be at around 0.58, because currently the price is at 582, 584, or even at 0.059 if you want to. But market order will do, okay, for this. Market order will do, guys. All right. And then just target like a 5 to 10% move, guys. Target like a 5 to 10% move for this particular trade. Okay, let me see the LZ. I'll need to do this on the other account. It's not available for copy trading. BLZ not available for copy trading. Yeah, BLZ. All right, so give me a moment, okay? See what that token has for us. Yeah, we are having that pullback up there. Guys, just take a short trade, okay? Take a short trade and target. Your take profit level should be whatever you want, but a 10 to 20% move in the market should be enough for you, all right? 10 to 20% move in the market should be enough for you for this trade, okay? Yeah, so that is what I'm currently looking at for the bills. If you want to take that trade, go ahead and do that, guys. All right? If you want to take that trade, go ahead and do that. Let me see. I think I log into my account right now. So BLZ, where is that? Casper, that was that was actually on the losers list few days ago, is now pumping. Okay, why that load up? Let me go to the next token. Let me go to the next token. Why this is loading up? Okay, so I'll just wait for, yeah, look at that rejection. That is exactly what we are looking for, guys. All right, so we want to see that pullback, yeah, massively. Okay, so if you enter with market order, that should already be running in profit for you, okay, and all of that. So if you have not entered yet, then wait for it to pull back up to that level again, then you can enter again. All right, so API 3, let's look at API 3 and see what that token has for us. API 3 USDT. All right, guys, smash the like button, okay? Smash that like button. And if you are new to the channel, subscribe, okay? Subscribe to the channel, all right? And hit that notification bell. We do this live streaming every day. So smash that subscribe button, okay? And the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever we go live, all right? Okay, so API 3, yeah, I was looking at this initially, so I was hoping that it would pump to the 200-day moving average, but unfortunately, we rejected before that 200-day moving average. Okay, so this was the area we're looking at when API 3 pumped, all right? So it pumped from here up there and all of that. So right now, guys, entries, let's see the FIP levels. Okay, so we rejected up there slightly just below the 200-day moving average, right? Sorry, the 618 level and all of that. So my entry for a long trade would be, just allow this to come back. Okay, my entry for a long trade would be around this level. Okay, around this level here, right? So I'll be entering a trade to the upside if this comes back to this level. That's the level that I will be looking at. All right, so let this play out. So a long setup would be, let's see, it comes out to that 0.995. Okay, 995, we can target up to that 200-day moving average. All right. So if this comes back to that level there, we take a trade to the upside. That is the 786 level, okay? The 786 level is what I'm looking at using the Fibonacci retracement tool, okay? So 786 level is the level I'm looking at using the Fibonacci retracement tool. All right, so for this, we can set a limit order to short this trade, okay? Let's set a limit order to short this trade when we get down up there. Let me look at what the RSI has for us for this particular trade. So indicators, let's bring RSI. See, RSI on the 4 hours time frame is overbought. Okay, overbought right now. RSI is overbought, so it's a short setup for us. And then we are at a resistance, guys. Okay, but on the daily time frame, RSI is still there, not there or up, not up there already. Okay, on the daily time frame, you see, we have a resistance up there. Okay, we have like a major resistance up there at 0.062. Okay, 0.062 level and all of that. So if this, remember this white line you're seeing here is my 50-day moving average line. So if this comes up, if this pump continues, then it means that we can be expecting this to come up to around that 0.062. Okay, Okay, so maybe I'll set a limit order at that 0.062 in case we get there to short. Okay, 0.062, and then let's say 10% of my capital. No, it's not enough. 50%. Okay, 50% we do, and then I'm trading on cross mode. Okay, cross mode, no wahala. All right, so cross mode, no wahala. I'll go ahead and set take profit level for this trade. I will do a short, and then take profit will be, let's do 0.052, and then stop loss will be, let's do 30% as our stop loss. So I'll just put 30% here. So if the market goes against us by 30%, we're losing 30% of our accounts. Okay. So yeah, open a short trade and then go ahead and confirm that. Yeah. So that trade has been placed. Let's see how it plays out. Okay. On the daily time frame, yeah. Let's see how that plays out. Okay. So that is it for that trade. The next trade, I've looked at this before. Okay. The ARST stuff. The ARST stuff. I think somebody mentioned it earlier, so I've looked at it before. But let's look at it again and see. I think currently I'm seeing that on the as number 2, right? So ARST USDT. AS, okay. AST, ASTR, yeah. Okay, let's look at that. It's still pumping, pumping, pumping. What did I say we should be looking at? Okay, yeah, I said we should let it come up to this level, right? Yeah, let it come up to this level. Is that you take it a long trade and follow suit, or let it come up to that level? Okay. Currently we have it as as a second level here, yeah. So let it come up to that level and all of that. So let it come up to this level and then we can take a trade there and stuff like that. So that's what I'm looking at, okay? I'm looking at shorting this trade up there. All right, I'm looking at shorting up there and all of that. So you can enter now if you want to, okay? You can enter now if you want to. So ILV USDT. Okay, let's look at ILV USDT. Okay, so ILV USDT, we had a setup up here, which is still valid, all right? I was telling us yesterday that allow ILV to come reject at that that is $55, okay, 55.4. But currently we didn't get to that $55, but I still believe that that will come up to that level, okay? Allow it to come reject at that 55.4 level, and then we can take a trade to the downside, which is this level right here, all right? That's the level that I'm looking at. I still see that this will shoot up to that level. So when it shoot up to that level, we can take a trade to the downside. So for ILV, that is what I'll be looking at, okay? And sir, I'm always appreciate, okay? I always appreciate what you have done to me. I need talk about showing the admin of the group have restricted your ability to send message. That's where you can DM me, okay? Is it that you cannot DM me, or what exactly are you saying? But I'm proud of you in trading over a year that you tell us how you use trading view in mobile. God reward you. Okay, thank you so much. If you want to talk to me, okay, you can just do DM me, all right? You can DM me on the you can DM me, all right? If you want to talk to me, just DM me and yeah, just DM me, okay? DM me on Telegram, okay? Or alternatively, right? Alternatively, you can go to my website. So if you just type digital learner, and I think the first link here is my website. You can equally see me on Google Business right here. So if you visit my website, let's see if that leads you to my website. Okay, what happened? Connection not private. I don't understand. Why is my connection not private? What is happening? Okay, okay, I think my website is currently down. I will try to fix that. It's even good I looked at that right now. Okay. So I'll try to fix that right now. So I have phone numbers on the website. Okay, you can equally see the phone number is even showing up on Google. I'm exposing my phone number to everybody right now. So phone number is showing up on Google. So if you type my name on Google, guys, smash that like button. Okay, I have a lot of you on the live show and then you're not liking. It's not good. Okay, smash that like button, guys. And if you don't have a Bybit account, if you want to follow with everything we do here every day, okay, go to the description of this video. Use the first link there to sign up for a Bybit account. All right. All of our futures trading will be done on Bybit and all of that. So sign up for a Bybit account. It's equally good. You get a Mexi, okay, account, FedEx account, and all of that. I have links to all of those exchanges in the video description. So if you look at the top 10, okay, top 10 exchanges that I recommend, you see the links here, all right, for all of those exchanges. These are the exchanges I recommend, okay, that you can use for trading and for different purposes, right? For instance, if you want to be doing like spot trading, I would recommend you go to BitGet. If you want to do P2P trading, I would recommend you go to Binance and all of that. It's not as if you cannot do all of this in one exchange. You can, but there are reasons why we look at those different exchanges and all of that. Okay, yeah. So the website is not. I will try to fix that. I don't know why. I just got that notification, but I'll fix it. Okay. Yeah. So that is it. And just chat me up. Okay. Chat me up on WhatsApp or use the Telegram stuff. Chat me up on WhatsApp. If you want to give me some money, let me send you my wallet address so that you send me some money. All right. LPT USDT. So LPT USDT. Let's look at that. Okay. Yeah, yesterday I told us that we should be looking for a long trade, right? And all of that. So if you are longing LPT, you are taking advantage of all of this, ups and down and the rest fine. But right now, LPT, I'm not doing anything. I don't have any trade setup for you guys this morning for LPT. Okay. So my trade setup will be to see LPT at 7.1, 7.2, and then I'll short. Okay. Or see LPT reject at this level here. Okay. If I go back to that 15 minutes time frame again, so what I want to see play out for the LPT token is see LPT come back down to this area, reject here. The 200-day moving average is now serving as a support, right? Then we can take a trade to the upside, guys. All right, so take a trade here to the upside, and then you can target as high as this level of 7.2 and all of that, okay? If this doesn't happen in the within the weekend, all right, maybe by next week, okay, when if the market opens and all of that, we can see this play out and the rest, all right? So just pay attention to this token and then gradually be scalping them, whatever direction it goes. But if we break below this area, guys, anything below 5.6, you should be looking for a short trade, and then you can take that to as low as $4, 4.6, and all of that. All right. So that is what I personally will be looking at for the LPT trade. Okay, I have something I wanted to share with us on risk management, but I'm going to do a video on that. I'm going to do a video on that. And that video, okay, for that video, I'm going to leave it to only the members who are, the supporters who are supporting me on YouTube, okay? It costs a lot, data, okay, the software we use, subscription and all of that for this live stream that we do. So if there is any way you can support, actually, I will appreciate that. All right, so you can join the YouTube support stuff. If you click on the join button here, I think I only have two. Yeah, I only have two options there. The first one here is a monthly support stuff, okay? It's a monthly support stuff. The basic, which is around 750, less than $1. Okay, maybe if you are doing with a dollar stuff, it will tell you it's $1. And then this other one, which is around, is it $5 or $3 or something? I can't remember. Okay, this should be around $4 or thereabout. So those are the two levels I have. It is monthly. If it is something you can commit every month to support the channel to grow, fine, you can do that. So when I do the video on risk management, on that risk management video, I'm going to talk about position sizing. Okay, I'm going to talk about how to calculate, your risks and all of that. If you have $1,000, how much you should risk per trade and all of that. So I'll make that, a video available and I will upload it to those who are members already. And shout out to all of you, okay, who are, actually taking that time to join the membership on the YouTube channel. All right. So just expect more from me, okay? Expect more from me. If I have more people join the advanced level, which is around the 4K level, okay, then I can be having a private live stream, which is part of what you will achieve. Okay, so if you click on join, you will see all that you will gain, right? So here you will see that you have members only live chat, priority reply to comment, early access, and then for the advanced, okay, you have photos, members only connection on social media, and then I think live stream, members only live stream, right? Yes, I think I have members only live stream. Yeah. So if I get your support there, if I get more people on that level, then we can continue to do that going forward. Okay. So yes, guys, keep your questions coming. Okay, if you have questions now, this is time. I'll dedicate the next few minutes for questions and answer. Okay, let's see what you have for us. Okay, questions and answers, and then we take it further, guys. Questions and answers, then we can take it further. All right. So who wants to join me live on stage? If you want to join me live on stage, let me send you a link so that you can join and then give a shout out to all that all the people persons joining us here. Who wants to join me live on stage? Who wants to join me live right now? Who wants to join me live right now? Okay. While that is going on, I will try to troubleshoot my website and see that it comes up so that you see what my website looks like. I don't know how long the website has been down, but let's see how we can fix that right now. And then for those of you who want to, who are looking for courses and all of that, okay, I have another website here, guys. Before I joined crypto, I was into build website for businesses, okay, build website for, a lot of things actually. Even right now, I still manage website for a lot of businesses actually. So don't just think that it's crypto that is giving us all the money. Okay, we do other things every day. So if you want to do, take the course. Okay, you can go here to this link. I will leave. Let me even leave it on the chat now, so that those of you who want to look at the website, you can go ahead and look at it. Okay, I build and manage this website myself. All right, I will look at how. Just give me time to try to fix some things here. All right. So that is for the course. If you come in here to the course, you can go down there to the curriculum and look at all that you'll be gaining from this course. Okay. So yeah, I'm trying to fix some things here for you to look at. Okay, I needed to see my website, look at how it looks like and all of that. Okay. All right. So if you want to take the course, go ahead. That is the link I just posted in the comment. Okay, for you to take the course. All right. So while you're going through that, I will go ahead and look at the next token that Nazari wants us to look at. High. Okay. Yeah, high USDT. Let me look at high and see what's going on. So high USDT. High USDT. Okay, yeah. See why it's good to always look at the chart before yeah, look at high. So after this done, we had a pump from here up there, and then we rejected. So right now, our resistance is becoming a support. Okay, so our resistance right here is becoming a support. And if I bring, let's see, Fibonacci retracement to, let's see where we rejected from. Okay, the 786 level, right? So we rejected from that 786 level. So you see why I say these areas are golden areas, okay? These areas are golden areas. So we rejected, and you see that it actually pumped. At this started pumping early this morning. I actually was seeing when this was pumping and all of that. So yeah, I think around 2 a.m. or thereabout, we started pumping, and before you know, we dumped. Right now, we are using this level of resistance. Our previous resistance is now a support area. Okay, yeah, that is where we want to bounce from. So for high is a long trade for me. So I'll give you that long setup. Okay. All right. So yeah, guys, for this particular trade, we'll be taking a long trade, guys. Yeah. Let's do long, okay? Let me even see this pump here. I had this rejected, okay? So that support area is equally our 618 level. So it's a long setup for me, guys. So just enter a long trade here. With the hope that this will come back to that $1.54, okay? $1.51. All right, $1.51. You can enter with market order or wait for it to come down to around a dollar point 388. Okay, a dollar point 388 and all of that. All right, a dollar point 388, then you can take a trade to the upside. Then if it goes below that, then we should be looking to short. All right. But if you want to trade this, go ahead. Okay. That rejection there, go up. Okay. And then when we get back up there, you take it down. But the bigger picture will be the level I'm looking at for high. Okay. Yeah, we still have this level there. Okay. So we still have that level there, which is almost where we are rejecting from. If we go above that level, then the next level you should be looking at will be up here. All right. Next level you should be looking at should be up there. All right. And all of that. So if high breaks above this area, then you should be looking at it going back up to around $2 plus. All right. So yep. That's what I'm looking at for high. That is what I'm looking at for high. Okay, for high. All right, guys. So what's up? What's going on? Any other token you want me to look at? Ask your questions right now, okay? Ask your questions right now. I'll provide answers for all of that. Okay, ask questions, and let's see. Okay, ask your questions, guys, and let's see what's going on, guys. Yeah. Okay, guys. So what's going on? What's going on? Yeah, let me check your chats. You want to ask questions, okay? Okay, let me send you a link to join me live. Who wants to join live? You can actually join with any device you have, okay? With any of the device you have, you can use this link to join me on stage right now. But just enable your camera, okay? Don't join without your camera. I want to see your face. Okay, I want to see what you look like. So you can use that link to join me live on stage, okay? Yeah, that's basically the link to join me live on stage. Let me bring you on stage so that others can equally see you. All right. BTC still doing his thing. Okay, BTC still doing his thing. We'll still wait, okay? We'll still wait for BTC to play out. Either we are coming down to that 28,800 or we are breaking above that area back to 30,000 and all of that. Okay, we are still within that range. So let's wait for BTC to play out and, we'll see how we can take that up to the upside. Pay attention to the market, okay, this weekend. Pay attention to the market. Anything can happen, all right? Anything can happen. We can have a sudden dump, we can have a sudden pump, and all of that. Okay? Have a sudden pump or dump, nobody knows. Nobody knows yet. So let's see how that goes. Okay, why I'm here with you guys, I'm equally trying to troubleshoot my website. So I want that website to come out before I call it a day. So the website will come out right now before I call it a day. So if you want to join me on stage, okay, use the link there to join. All right. Okay. Okay, for Blaze, I can see Blaze is still pumping. I don't know who entered that market right now. Okay, let me see BLZ USDT. That token is still pumping. Okay, you see why I said limit order higher. You see why I said limit order higher. Okay, yeah, I'm still expecting that level. So if you enter that trade here, please manage your risks. Okay, I'm looking at this area up there. All right. I'm looking at this area up there at 0.061 or 62. Let's see if this will continue to pump to that level. Okay. So Blaze is still pumping right now. See, look at that. Look at that move. Look at that move. Blaze is still pumping. So let's see if that takes us to that level. Okay. The area we're looking at, okay, is up here, right? Break above that level, then we are looking at this area up here, guys. All right, so that is the area we're looking to short Blaze. Okay, so allow it to play out, and then we can take a short trade from up there. Okay, yeah, allow it to play out, then we can take a short trade from there down. Yeah, so look at that. This token is magic. Okay, let's see how that plays out. Okay, if it gets up there, we take a trade down. All right. If it gets up there, so our setup here will be, to enter a trade. That should be a short setup. Okay. Let's see that Blaze comes and rejects at this area. All right. And then we can target, if you want to stay in this trade for days, then you can target the next support area. All right. If you want to stay in this trade for days, you can target this support area down here. But if not, what we can wait to play at is maybe like Blaze will just go down there and then come and retest this trend line and then continue that upward movement. Okay, that's exactly what we should be looking at right here. Okay, so when we come back up here, come down to the trend line, and then we can take a trade to the upside. But if not, okay. Okay, so let's see how that token play out. Okay, just keep looking. Let's monitor and see how that plays out. All right. Let's see how that plays out, guys. Smash that like button if you love what we are doing. Okay, smash that like button. So yeah, let's this pump to that level and then we can take it. Okay. Currently, okay, high still there. We have that as the second one there. So let's see if we can get to that level, then we can go ahead and short. Okay. If it gets to that level, we can go ahead and short the trade. All right. I see everybody is shy. Nobody wants to join me on stage. Why is everybody shy? Shy. Why is everybody shy? No one wants to join me on stage. Why? Why, guys? Okay, so let's see how this plays out. All right, let's see how this plays out. Let's see how this plays out, guys. Hmm. Look at the massive volume that came into the market and all of that. Okay, so let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay, let's look at Casper as well. Why this is going on? Let's look. I think this should be on my watch list. Okay, yeah. Let's look at Casper USDT. Yeah, guys. Smash that like button, okay? Smash that like button, all right? Okay, boss, when you tell us how to use TradingView in computer, okay, I should tell you, or when will I tell you? Exactly what what I do every day should be enough, okay? Enough to tell you how to use TradingView. But if you go to YouTube and type TradingView, I have TradingView on mobile, I have TradingView tutorials on the TradingView. Let's say TradingView, then you type my name there, Digital Learner. It should give you all of my TradingView tutorials, both on the laptop, on the desktop, and all of that. Okay, how to use TradingView app on your mobile phone. This is one of my video. Okay, TradingView tutorial for beginners. How to use TradingView. Okay, this is equally on the app. Yeah, this is on the app. I think I equally have one that is on the desktop. Okay, how to use TradingView. This is on the desktop, right? This is a desktop tutorial. Okay, yeah. This is on TradingView. All right, this is on the desktop, so you can go ahead and check out those videos. All right. So I have all of these videos there. You can go ahead and check out all of these videos on TradingView. Just type TradingView and then add my name to it, and you are good to go. All right, type TradingView, add my name to it, and you are good to go. Okay. So yeah, that is how to use TradingView. I have video tutorials on that. Okay, so basically, yep. Okay. So you always say enter with market order. What is the sign you see? Because I always fear to enter the market order, and it's always play out according to your market. Well, the signs are just spotting at those areas of resistance and support areas. Okay, like this token is a newly listed token, right? Okay, so okay, so for instance, let's yeah, it's still pumping. All right, you see that token is still going up. All right, so yeah, let me open up that one. Yeah. Okay, we're almost there. It has not hit our level yet. We're almost there. Okay, so if I come to this market right now, all right, and I see that this is a resistance. Resistance in the sense that market was going up and then it rejected there, several times. Market rejected here. It rejected again, it rejected. It has tested this level many times. Okay. There's a possibility that this market coming back here, it will break above that level. All right. But before it breaks above that level, it will equally respect this level before it goes up. All right. It equally respect this level before it goes up. The way resistance and support level works on this market is, the resistance and support levels are like bumps on the road. Okay, when you're driving on the road, whenever you see a bump, it's a sign that you slow down, right? So these bumps, resistance or supply and demand levels, okay, or resistance and support level are bumps. So market will always respect that area. It means that there are a lot of other blocks here, okay, opposite other blocks. Now everybody is pushing this market up. So if there is enough other block here for like a sellers are always putting a limit orders there to sell. If there is enough to push this market down, when it comes here, definitely it will go down. even if it's going to break this level, right? If it comes there, it should definitely retrace back that maybe depending on the leverage you're using, it should definitely go down maybe 10%, 20%, and all of that before it continues the movement to the upside. Okay, before it finally breaks this level and all of that. All right. Except if there are no, much orders here, and then the sellers or the buyers are the ones in charge, they will just push it. Okay, just push it, and then before you know it, they will fire here and clear all of that bombs and then start going up. Okay. So for now, I still believe that the bombs have not been cleared yet. So we need to just react at this area and come down. So when it is at the support, I will enter with market order. When I see a trade at the support, I'll enter with market order. When I see that the resistance, I'll enter with market order. It's as simple as that. You don't need to start waiting. But right now, because we have not gotten to that level yet, we need to set a limit order. Okay, that is why we need to set a limit order. Join, millions of others who have set limit orders to short here to set our own limit orders. So when it gets there, automatically it triggers, comes back down, and then we take profit and we exit the market. All right. So it still boils down back to the support and resistance stuff that we are using, the use of trading view that Nazari is talking about. Okay, so I need to know how to use MACD plus RSI. MACD plus RSI, I don't know if I have a strategy on that. Okay, I don't know if I have a strategy on MACD, but let me check. I don't know if I have a strategy on MACD, but we'll look at that. Okay, if you want us to start doing tutorials on how to use MACD plus RSI and all of that, we'll look at that. Okay. I see somebody has joined me on stage. Okay, let me see who is here. Who is joining me right here? Okay, let me bring you up. Nazri, how are you doing? Where are you joining from?
I'm joining from Kano, Nigerian, from Kano State.
Okay, how is Kano this morning?
We thank God, Gaska. So we really appreciate what you have done to us. I'm following you over here, Gaska, and I have a community, and the way you teach us, Gaska, we are really appreciate. I'm enjoying because sometimes an analysis and get profit alone, Gaska. We really appreciate. We have nothing to say. We say God you with bless, Gaska.
Okay, it's okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, and I wish your
So, sir, I
community the
want. I don't
best. I
know.
hope you
I don't.
guys.
Sir, but I
Yes, go
don't know
ahead.
what is the actual problem. That I want to talk to you sometimes in Telegram or send to my result when I trade. So I'm showing what I have told you.
What is your Telegram username?
Nazir Muhammad.
Can you type it for me? On the chat, you'll see a private chat there. You see an option for private chat there. Can you type it for me? Let me send you a message myself and see if you can reply on Telegram.
Okay, I should type the name here.
Yes. On the stage you are now, if you look at your screen, you'll see where you say private chat. If you see that private chat option, you can use it. Just click on the private chat option, and then like the envelope icon, click on the private chat and send me a message so that I'll be able to send you a message on Telegram, and let's see how that works.
Okay. So I send you a message.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir. We really appreciate. God bless.
I would have wanted you to send me the username the way it is on Telegram so that I'll be able to locate you to find you. What's your username the way it is on Telegram? Because this way I will not be able to find you. Can you say,
Okay,
okay,
can I
send it?
send
Can you
it?
send a message on the group? Can you send a message on the Telegram group?
It's not allowing me to send a message in the Telegram group, both side, all your Telegram group. I mean, two.
Okay, send a message. Send a message here. This username I'm sending to you. Send me a message. Then let me check.
Okay.
Okay,
This
just copy
name.
that and search on Telegram. You should be able to see. Yes, just search on Telegram. You should be able to see me there and send me a message on Telegram. Let me check.
Okay.
Telegram is not like WhatsApp. Once you do something and a particular group blocks you and all of that, Telegram
Okay.
automatically stop you from
I
sending
send
messages
you
on any
hello.
public group. Okay,
I
okay,
sent official admin. That is name.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir.
You send me a message on Telegram. I've not received it yet. Okay, Nazri is out of the picture right now. Okay, Prince Vincent, how are you? Okay, I think you were here before. Which coin is that? I can see the name very clear. Okay, it's Bliss. You are the one that recommended it, right? Is the BLZ USDT. This one, right? BLZ USDT, right? Is BLZ USDT. You are the one that recommended it initially. And then I said entered immediately, which we have actually played that, but we started having another pump. So now that we started pumping, we are looking at the new level, okay? At that 0.06155. Okay, that will be the area where we'll be shorting the token right now, okay? So let's see how that plays out. We'll just wait for it to pump back up to this area, then we can short it from there. All right, so when we short it from there, we'll be looking at this coming down to this trend line. And maybe we'll start looking, if we do not break below the trend line, we'll start looking for another long trade. But if we break below that trend line, then the next level will be the support level. Okay, so guys, okay, yeah, if you got that, thank you so much for getting that, all right? Smash that like button, guys. So, yeah, this is a new entry level, okay? Though this thing is still respecting this level here, but just forget about this level, right? Look at the major level. This is the Oga Pata picture, right? That level there at that 618. So, anything around 0.06261 and all of that will be areas where we'll be looking to short this token, all right? So if you short this token, depending on how long you want to stay in the market, you just hold the market until you get down to this level and you go ahead and take, profit, all right? So those looking for MACD, I think I have a video here. What's that? Scalping, get 96% win rate. Okay, scalping strategies in a combination of MACD and what? Okay, yeah, so these are trade example with the MACD. And then I showed you how to add up the MACD plus the indicator, okay? Indicator setup, right? So let me see the indicator that I added to this. Okay, so I added one indicator there plus MACD. Okay, I think the MACD and the chandelier exit indicator, that is the strategy that I use here, right? MACD and the chandelier exit indicator and all of that. Okay, the setup, the settings for that and all of that, that is what I have here. Okay, so we had the chandelier exit. I think I use a combination of like three indicators. Okay, three indicators, the chandelier exit, and all of that. Okay, so go ahead and see that. And I have a lot of videos there, guys. I have a lot of videos on things like that. But if you understand how to use TradingView, then the best thing is to join us in trading every day. Okay, join us in trading every day. Joanne, how are you? It's been a while. I've not seen you. You're back with Jasmine. Okay, you're back with Jasmine. I see that Jasmine is your favorite token. Okay, is this token? The owners of this token from your local. Okay, let's look at Jasmine and see what we have with Jasmine, guys. So let me look at higher time frame. Okay, I think we just broke above that level. So we're looking at this area that if we do not break above this trend line, that we'll be looking for a sell, right? But now we broke above the trend line, then guys, it's a long setup, all right? So we are going to be looking for long setup for this trade. Okay, so this short setup is no longer valid. And I wanted to long if we come back to this level, which is no longer valid. All right. So yeah, we broke the trend line which we were looking at gradually, but we did not come back down, right? So immediately we just rejected and went back up. So this is no longer valid. So I think we're looking at the 15 minutes on that. So currently the only trend line that is valid right now is this one we just broke, and then you can set another trend line from this level. Sorry, I need to draw that from down there. Okay, so yes, a break of that trend line and all of that. But right now is we're waiting for a bounce back. Okay, a bounce back here. Let's say this comes back this area. Maybe we'll bounce from here or even at the major trend line here. Then we can be looking to take a long trade to the upside for Jasmine. Okay, for Jasmine, so you can go to lower time frame like the 15 minutes time frame and be looking for your entry. All right. So I have two trend lines there that you need to pay attention to. Is it that this comes and reject at this trend line? Okay. Is that we come back, bounce at this trend line, take it up, or if we break below this trend line, then the next trend line you should be looking at will be this one. Okay. But the one I see working at where right now is this one here. All right. The one I see working at well right now is this one here. So what you want to wait for is wait for this token. All right, to come back down. Let's say we come back this way. All right, maybe we reject at this trend line, then you can take it a trade to the upside. But if we fail to reject here, then the major trend line will be this other one that we have here down. Okay, so we'll be looking to take a long trade anywhere from here up, all right, or from down there up. Okay, so that's exactly what I'll be looking at for the Jasmine trade. All right. So if you look at the higher time frame, you can target, okay, for this long setup, let's see how that will go. Maybe we can go to as high as the 200-day moving average and all of that, okay? But levels you should be looking at for take profit is you have another level, first level here, maybe this level here, if you enter this trade at 0.041, you have another one at 0.042, you have another one at 0.044, and then another one at 0.046. Then if you break all of this structure and then there are change of characters here, then you can be looking at the 200-day moving average, which is 0.0050. Okay, so Joanne, that is exactly what I will be looking at for these trades. Okay, that is what I personally will be looking at for these trades. All right. Okay. So Nazri, if you are still on the show, I did not get your message. You say you sent me hi. I didn't get your message. Okay, I didn't get your message. Send me a message on what's it called, on Telegram. So I didn't know where you send that hi to. I did not receive the message yet. Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah. Any more question? Any more question, guys? Before we continue, any more questions? So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, subscribe to the channel. All right, subscribe to the channel, guys. Give the video a like. Subscribe to the channel and all of that. Okay, subscribe to the channel and give the video a like, guys. Okay. So yeah, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, guys. I have a lot of content there that will, keep you going and all of that. So let me go back to my BLZ, BLZ USDT, guys. BLZ USDT. Guys, okay, so we're still there. We'll wait for this, all right? Uh, no matter how long it takes, I'll wait for this, all right? My setup is still right there. I'll take a trade down there to the downside, okay? I'm still going to wait for this and see how that plays out, all right? So, yeah, let's see how that plays out, okay? So Nazri, I didn't receive your message. Okay, I thought you sent a message on Telegram. I didn't receive your message. If you can no longer access Telegram, you can change your Telegram number, okay, to a new number so that you'll be able to send messages. Okay. Okay. Let's see how that plays out. Okay. Let's see how that plays out, guys. Smash that like button, all right? If you're just joining, smash that like button. I will appreciate if you do, okay? Smash that like button. Smash that like button if you're just joining up, guys. XRP. Let's look at SRP. Okay, the setup I had for SRP yesterday is still there. Okay, still valid. Okay, so if I go to lower time frame, so I told us to be looking for a long trade for SRP. SRP has been consolidating in this area for a while. Okay, so what I was thinking will happen is, like see SRP. Okay, maybe break this level, come down to this level, then I'll be taking a trade to the upside here. Okay, so either you're looking at this level here for a long trade. Okay, either you're looking at that level there for a long trade, or maybe a break above this area here. Okay, maybe a break above this area here for a long trade. maybe break above that area there for a long trade and all of that. For now, I'm not doing anything. I will allow SRP to play out. Okay, this all depends on what BTC does and the rest. Okay, so maybe from here up, we take a trade and all of that. Okay, that's basically what I'll be looking at for the SRP trade. All right. Okay, so yeah. Okay, guys. So yeah, Ape. Let me look at Prince Vincent. You say we should look at the Ape USDT. Let me look at that. Guys, I'm entering a short trade for Ape USDT with market order right now. Okay, I just started like a 10% move. Okay, I'm going to short that with market order, right? I'll just short before we start looking at the trade. All right, let me see what I can get out of this for Ape USDT. Let's do markets and then how much do I still have money here? Okay, let me do 50% of my account, and then for take profit, I will just set like a 20% move. Okay, 20% move, retracement, and all of that. Okay, remember we are going to that here on the chart here. We are going to that level of a 50-day moving average. You can enter maybe this Ape. Okay, yeah, you can enter short at $2 plus or thereabout, but I'm shorting right now. Okay, I'll continue to, you can short at $2 in those areas there, but I am shorting right now with market order, right? Then I'll continually manage the risks and all of that. So 10x leverage, go ahead and open with market order. And I think we are in that trade. Network won't allow me to, yeah. So let's do market order, yeah. So for Ape, yeah, 20% move is what I'm targeting, okay? 20% move will be around 1.953. Okay, 953 will take 20% there, and then we'll do this again and again and again and again, and we can enter. If you can wait to enter at $3, $2, okay? $2, yes, will be somewhere around up there, and the rest you can wait to enter, okay? You can wait to enter at $2 and all of that, but I just enter with market order, right? Let's see how that plays out. Okay, yeah, Vincent, thank you for bringing up that, right? Yeah, okay, so let's see how this plays out, all right? Let's see how that plays out. Our take profit level should be around 9.3. Is it what was that? 9, yeah, 1.953. 1.953. Let's see how that plays out. Okay, if it plays out and then we take profit there, then we can, go again. So, but you can wait to take profit at 2. You can wait to re-enter if you want to. Okay, you can wait to enter at. You can wait to enter the trade at $2, $2.1. Okay, in case we pump to that level, $2.1. But let's see a quick retracement there. If that will give us some profit to that 20%. So my take profit is here. Let's see if we retrace down to that level, guys. Okay, yeah, so even if it is 10% we get, okay, let's see how that we go. If we retrace down to that level, then we go ahead and take profit, okay? Yeah, we're still pumping, pumping, pumping. The token is, yeah, remember the MACD just started, okay? So uh let's see how that goes, guys. Let me do 4 hours and see how that plays out, all right? Okay, let's see how that goes. I'm already $1 in profit with 50. I think I reached $50 plus or thereabouts. So let's see how it goes. Okay, let's just watch and see how that goes. If we get to that $2 level and see. Okay, so yep. We're almost at the $2 level, all right? So if you want to long at $2, what was my entry? Let me even check the entry. Entry for this trade is we did market order, right? Market order entered at 1.996. So we are still there. Okay, 1.996, and then we want to do 1.95. 1.95 is somewhere around it. So yeah, let's see how that plays out. Okay, let's see how that plays out. If this will be, a winning trade before we leave the market today. Let's see how that plays out, guys. So for the BLZ didn't go as expected. But we still wait, okay? You can take time. It's not immediate. It's not immediate. So BLZ has now gone as expected, but let's just wait, okay? Let's just wait and see what happens, guys. All right. So how come nobody wants to join me on stage? I want to see your face. I want to hear your voice and all of that. Just like Nazir did. Okay, guys, join me on stage if you can. Join me on stage if you can. And if you want to support the channel, guys, once again, go to the channel, guys, and click on the join button. Okay, click on the join button here and support the channel the way you can, because we will guys, give this video a like. Okay, give this video a like. Just click on the like button. All right, don't be stingy with your likes. All right, guys, don't be stingy with your likes. Okay, it won't cost you anything just to like that video, guys. All right. So yeah, what next? What next do you want us to look at? Let's see how this work out, okay? Yeah, we're still going in profit. Please, if you short this trade with me, if you enter this trade with me, let me know. Let me know on the chat that you're in the trade. If you're in the trade and you're in the money, let me know. Just type in the money. Okay, if you're in the money, just type there on the chat that you are in the money. Okay, yeah, let's see how that goes. If it will hit our take profit level, right? Let's see if it will hit our take profit. If it's going to give us that 20% that we are looking for. 20%. Currently, we are $4 to $5 in profit. Let's see if we get that 20% we are looking for, guys. Okay. So let's see 195. 195 is the levels we are looking at. 195. Okay. If you're in the money, let me know that you're in the money. If you took that trade, let me know, okay? Let me know that you took the trade because it will play out, all right? Yeah, still going down, still going down now. Almost at our take profit level, right? Almost at our take profit level. So let's see how that plays out, okay? Yeah, let's see how that plays out. I put in like $50 and then you can see that it's playing out, all right? So let's see how that goes. And so almost at take profit level, almost at take profit level, guys. Almost at take profit level. So who took that trade with me? Who took that trade with me? If you took that trade, let me know, please. If you took that trade, let me know on the chart that you did, guys. If you took that trade, let me know that you did. So 9C is almost there, almost there. Let's see if this next candle will go hit our take profit level. We're almost there. Let's see if that next candle will hit our take profit level before going up. Okay, so I'm currently $8 in profit right now. Let's see how that goes, guys. Let's push it down there. Push it down, push it down, push it down. Push it down, push it down. Let's make the profit. Let's take profit and then look for another opportunity to enter the trade again. Okay, so currently, yeah, market is doing its own thing, but yeah, 10%, 11% already. Okay, 11%. We can even re-enter the trade, close and look for another entry point again. So let's look for another entry point again. So yeah, we close that and then re-enter the trade again. Okay, let's re-enter at $2. Let's do $2 this time around. So I'll go back, use limit order, and I'll do $2. Let me see, is it $2? Yeah, let's look at $2 level. You can do 2.1, but that will be far from me. Let me just do $2, okay? So I'll do $2 and then uh, okay, let me do $2 and re-enter the trade again. So this time around, take profit for a short trade, enter short, and then we can target. Let's do 50%. Okay. Confirm and then open a short trade. Yeah. So if we get to that level, we short and then we'll see what else. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, so that is what impatient can cause for us. Okay, this stuff is still actually going back. It actually hit the take profit, but that is what impatient can cause for traders like you and I. Okay, yeah, Vicent has closed this already, so impatient. That is what it can cause because that trade is still actually going back to the take profit level, right? Whenever you set a trade, stick to your trade and allow it to play out. Okay, stick to your trade and allow it to play out. Let me even look at the P&Ls for the closed P&Ls for that particular trade, just $4. Just $4, and you see that the trade is actually going, and it will go hit that take profit level of that 5. It would have given us that 20%. Anyways, the most important thing is that we close the trade in profit. Okay, the most important thing is we close the trade in profit, so no need to start, regretting anything right now. Okay, let's look for another opportunity. Which other token again should we be looking at? Okay, see, look at CAS. CAS is leading the way right now. And that was the token I wanted to learn. I didn't even analyze that token. We just bypassed that. Now I'm just so pained about this Pepper token because closing my trade and then Pepper is now pumping. That's taught me. I'm so pained right now. So pained right now. All right, guys. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, let's look at that cash, okay? Guys, I think I should be going for a short trade for this. All right, this is a newly listed token. It was listed a few days ago, but I feel it's a short trade for me, guys. All right, it has had its pumps already, so we bounced back from that 38, okay, 38.2% level. A break above this area, we'll be looking for long trade, okay? Above that resistance, we'll be looking for long trade. Let's go there. Shiba Inu, for those of you that have liver, it's a short, okay? You go ahead and short Shiba Inu, it will play out. Though it will go up a bit, but it will still come back down, all right? It will go up a bit, but it will still come back down. So short Shiba Inu if you want to. Okay, guys. So which other token again do you want us to look at right now? Vincent, which token again do you want us to look at? Let me know which token you want us to look at next. I'm just going to short this token when it gets to that level. I want to see it up there, and then I'll take a short trade. But if it breaks above this level, okay, if we break above this level, then we'll be looking for a long trade up there. Maybe anything at that level there, we'll take a long trade, bring our stop loss, just close there, and then we'll target this area up there. Okay. Okay. But this setup is still no longer valid, right? Let's just wait for a rejection here and see if we can take a trade down. Okay, STMX. Let's look at XTMX. STMX USDT. Okay, this one is having a pullback already, so we're looking at this token coming back up there, but it did not. So currently the areas we're looking at right now is this area down here, and then this area here. So for STMX, currently we're still trending down. We'll break below this level, okay? If we go below 0.0067, we should be shorting this trade. Okay, if we go below 0.0067, we should be shorting the trade for STMX, okay? We go below below this level here, we should be shorting the trade, okay? anything below this level, anything below that level will be a short trade for me. Except if we bounce from that level up there. So anything below that level will be a short trade for me, guys. That's what I'll be looking at right now. Like, look at Pepe. I don't know what happened, why I closed that trade. Pepe is still pumping. Pepe is still pumping, and it will eventually come to the take profit level I was targeting. Okay. Quite unfortunate, guys, for me. So we still have 15 days left, okay, for this to close. For the Bybit trading competition to come to an end. So the next 15 days, let's see what happens. Okay, can we make it to the first list, to the top 10 list here? That's what we're looking for. Can we make it to the top 10? Can we make it to the top 10, guys? Currently, I think we are, let me check where we are. Okay, so we're actually still very far. We are nowhere close. Let me check again. What's ranking? Okay, 64. So we are still very far. Yeah. That's where we are. Let's push this, guys. Let's push this. Let's push this. Yeah, Pepe, that's what I'm looking at listening to. So Pepe has dealt with me seriously, you know. I don't know. And part of why this actually happened is pressure from all of you who are copying my trade. You guys are so impatient. You cannot wait for something to happen. You just keep that Pepe token. How is it? Why are you? When are you closing it? It has finished my money, or it has done this, or it has done that, or. Huh? I wonder whether when you copy other traders, if that is how the traders you copy that you don't know, is that how you guys go? Assuming you knew all of them, okay, is that how you're going to plagiarize them? If you come in here on the trading competition, let's go to the copy trade. There are a lot of traders that you can actually copy, right? Yeah. So lot of them making. So you can come in here. Okay, these are the traders who are leading. All right, this person has made 46,000 for their followers. Okay, this person has made 2,000. This person has made 16,000. So you see the top traders here, right? That has made money for their followers. All you just need to do, if you want to follow this first person here, you just go ahead and click on the follow button here, and then it will open up the person's statistics. All right. So if you want to copy a trader, it's very simple. Just come in here. Okay, and follow the top trader. You can see this person has 1,147 followers, and then trading days, 17 days, and all of that. Okay, so you can see the statistics. You can check, statistics of copied trade. All right, this person has a trade running with over, $1,000 in profit, and then another one running with, 28. You see the person's trade history. Okay. Yeah, this guy is good. So you can copy this trader and all of that. You can go copy the trader if you want. Okay, guys. So why I decided to stay this long is because I'm trying to fix my website. Okay. And then for those of you who are still here, the website is up and running. All right. So Nazari, I don't think you are still here. Okay. For those of you who are still here, that is my website. Okay. Website is up and running right now. All right. So yes, the website is up and running. So that's what I was trying to fix. Okay. Now that this fixed, I believe, let me check that all pages are working smoothly. Okay. Let me check that all pages are working smoothly. Right, so go to the hire me page. Everything is working well, right? Yeah, so the marketing and services. Yep. Okay, our website is working well. So yeah, things like that. At times website comes off, at times it goes off, and the rest. So okay. So everything seems to be working well. All right. That is the reason why I was actually delaying, to make sure that even while I was delaying, okay, we're equally making money. Okay, this one we'll have to fix that. So I still have the blog page to fix. Okay, yeah, I had a lot of blog content there. Let me check the contact page. Yeah, contact page is working. So yeah, I wanted to ask that guy to contact me here, but it seems the website is working, except for the blog page. I will try to fix this one. Yeah, I'll try to fix that one. Okay, guys, so I think we'll call it a day here, right? Any other token you want us to look at before we call it a day? Okay, the website address is digitallearner.com. Okay, just go to digitallearner.com, or you just type digital learner on Google. My website will pop up for you. So that, let me put it on the chat. Website address is digitallearner.com. Pepe, I would have made a lot of money that would have made me rank for this ongoing trading stuff, but Pepe just ruined everything for me. Pepe just ruined everything for me. Okay, guys. So, yep. Okay, I think a trade has triggered. Which of the trade is that one? Okay, still the Ape trade. Okay, it went to $2 and then it just triggered right now. So Ape, the setup for Ape, where is it? Yeah, it went to $2. So that trade just triggered right now. I don't know who set up the limit order for that. So mine just triggered right now. Let's see how that plays out. Okay, let's see if it comes down. So did we set take profit for this? No, I did not. So let me add take profit for that. No, not trailing stop. Okay, it's take profit I want to set. Okay, I think I said take profit. Take profit is around 50%. Okay, yeah. So let's see how that works. Okay, so where's our take profit? Down there. Okay, our take profit is down there, but let's see how it works. Let's see how it works. Okay. Okay, that's pushing down in profit and all of that. So let's see how it works. Okay. So while that is going on, I'm still trying to fix my website, guys. So just bear with me. I have to fix that, all right? Because immediately I leave this screen right now, I'm going for something else. Take profit is down there. Let's see if this plays out this way, comes down and hit take profit there. Boom. 50%, that will be how much do we enter this trade with? $50. That will be around 20 something dollars or thereabout. Okay, if you hit 50%, that will be 20 something dollars. Who is in this trade with me? Who is in this trade with me right now? So Abe, let's go back to Abe USDT. Let me leave Pepe. Each time I look at Pepe, I feel like crying. Should I cry? It's part of those, all right? We lose, we gain, we lose, we gain. It's always like that. Okay, so Pepe, Ape token, let's look at that. Okay, let's see how it goes. If we break above this level, then we are going up there to 2.1. 2.1. Let's check our liquidation. Where is our liquidation for this trade? Liquidation is 2.3. But before we go to 2.1, we would have taken enough profit. I'm currently 4%. So if we move like maybe 10, even if we don't get to the 50%, okay, 10, 20%, I'm closing that trade. So let's see how it plays out. Okay, let's see how that plays out. All right, while that is working, let me see. Where was I? Guys, if you are not in the ape trade, okay, you can wait to enter that trade when we get to 2.1. Okay, 2.14 should be, areas where you should be looking at entering that trade. Okay, let me just give you a setup for the ape trade. Okay, so yeah, I'm looking at this area here. Okay, 2.14 or 2.18 or thereabout. Okay, so yeah, in case we get there, but I see, for this token to pump up to that level, it means that we need this token to move additional how many percent? Additional 10%, okay, for it to get to that level, right? So if you want to wait for this level up here, you can wait and take a trade up there. Okay. If you want to wait to take a trade up there, you can wait. But right now, we just take advantage of all of this, short move in the market and all of that. So that's what I'm looking at. Okay. But if you want to play safe, all right, just wait for it to get back up there and all of that. All right. But right now, this is where we are. I think this is going well for us. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, can we pull back down to 196? Okay, 1.96. Can we pull that, down to that area? Let's see if that works. Okay, 1.96. Right now we are currently at 1.93. Okay, $6 in profit, already 10% move and all of that. Okay, already 10% move. Another thing you can do if you have comfortable scalping, okay, we can change this to 10%, right? We can change this to 10%, keep doing 10% and all of that, and then re-enter the trade again and all of that, okay? Re-enter the trade again. So it means if you push down back to that level, it's going to close the trade and, almost closing the trade, right? You just close it, right? So that trade just closed with 10% profit again. So if we check the close PNL, that is another $5. So scalping this trade alone has given us like $10 and all of that. Okay, so we can re-enter that trade again. Okay, I can re-enter at $2 again and see how it plays out and all of that. But the bigger picture here is if you want to, okay, if you want to, you can just enter the trade where I've given you. If you don't want to be doing all the scalping that we're doing right here, okay, you see that is pushing down back. Okay, it gives you profit and all of that. But if you don't want this area here, then the next area you should be looking at is that $2.1, $2.14 and all of that. Okay, but I see a support at this area, a resistance, okay, at this area here, right? I see this token rejecting at this area, except if we have a massive push up that will make this thing to bypass this area. If it bypasses this area, then we go to the next level. All right, so that's what I'm looking at. Right, the next level will be that 2.14, 2.18, 2.17 level. All right, guys. So yep. Okay, so we can still re-enter that trade again. I can still re-enter and take another 10% at $2.2 level, right? The first area I entered was $2. So if I want to re-enter that trade again, I can still go back again and say that I want to enter at $2 again. All right, so yeah, I can enter at $2 again and then put like 50% of my profit again, then take profit. I can do another 10 to 20%. So short, I just put 20% there in case it moves. So for 20% it needs to move to 1.9. Okay, let's do 15%. Okay, 15% move will be that the token will need to retrace back to $1 at 1.97. All right, 1.97. We'll go ahead and click on confirm again and then open a short trade right now and then confirm that. All right, remember I'm trading on isolated mode and all of, okay, on cross mode, sorry, I'm trading on cross mode and I think I have other pending orders here. Okay, how come I have two orders here? Okay, this is the close PNL, sorry. Okay, I have other pending order for BLZ. Yes, I have a pending order for a BLZ. So let me just close this so that I will use the money now for this particular trade. So if we pop back up to this level again, I'm going to short again. All right, if we get back up to $2 again, I'll go ahead and enter another short trade and all of that. So for the ape token, let's see how many times we can scalp this trade before it actually break above this area. Okay, before it breaks above this area, let's see how many times we can scalp it and the rest. Guys, smash that like button for me, okay? Just go to the YouTube video there and then smash that like button, guys. Smash the like button, all right? Thank you. And then if you are not new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, okay? Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, all right? Yes, Andy, you're welcome, okay? Yeah, welcome to the live show. So smash that like button for me, guys. Smash that like button for me. Let's see if I have all it takes, all right? If I have all it takes, okay? But I need to consider data so that we'll continue to be doing this every day. If I have all it takes, I don't mind. I can stay for a live stream for the whole day. We'll continually look at the market. Let's say if we dedicate like 4 or 5 hours every day to trading, there is no how, okay? There is no how, guys, we cannot go home with. Even if it is $100 account you have. Like the trade I've been taking now, it's just $50 I entered the trade with, right? The first time we made $4, the second time we made $5, and just like that, okay? When you dedicate your time to search, there is no how, guys. There is no how that you cannot make up to $100, $50 every day trading crypto. Just dedicate your time, find the coin, okay, that you can actually scalp and all of that, all right? And that little scalping you'll be doing every day will be giving you some, percentage and the rest. If your target, let's say your trading capital is $100, your target is to make $10 every day, okay? You make $10 every day and you trade like for 20 days in a month, $10 every day and you trade 20 days in a month, that is $200 return. You know how much $200 is right now in Nigeria? $200 is almost 200,000 naira. $200 in Nigeria is almost 200,000 naira. So if you want to, it's just that at times, great, it will take a better part of us who want to make more money. You have made $10, you have achieved your target of $10 a day, and then you want to make $50, you still see more opportunity, you enter the trade, and that next trade will be the one that will take your money. All right. Okay. So that is always the problem we do have. Okay. That is always the problem we do have. Greed, greed, what again? All those plenty things, greed, emotions, and all of that will always take a better part of us. So it takes us, it makes us lose money and all of that. Okay. It makes us lose money and all of that. So guys, always be careful. Always be careful, guys. Okay. So yeah, let me see if my website is working. Let me refresh that because I'm trying to, guys, it's not easy. It's not easy, seriously. It's not easy. So yeah, I equally have to keep the website running because of, yeah. Great. Okay, the website is working actively right now. So I just fixed the bug. And then this is the blog page. I think which other page again was not working. There was another page that I loaded that I clicked on that was not working. There was another page that I checked that was not working. I can't remember. I think. All right. Basically, the website is working. So. All right. So next time when you want to give out your website budget, all right, to somebody to build and work on or manage for you, I'm the best person to come to. Don't worry, I will charge you. I will not charge you more. Okay, I will not charge you much. All right. Maybe I'll just charge you like maybe 5M, right, to build and manage your website for you and all of that. Kindly release your WhatsApp number, guys. Okay, WhatsApp number. You can easily get WhatsApp number if you go to my website. Okay, so I posted the link to the website earlier, right? So you can go or just chat me up at Digital Leonard on the Telegram. Okay, Digital Leonard. Don't contact me if you are not bringing money. All right, don't go and chat me if you are not bringing money. All right. In fact, when you chat me on WhatsApp, the first your first chat should be, boss, send your wallet address. Okay, send your wallet address. All right, or your bank account details. Okay, guys. So I've set another limit order to re-enter this trade. If we get back up there, okay, if we get back up there, we re-enter the trade. But if not, I think we are done for today. Okay, if we don't shoot back up there again, we are done for today, guys. So let me check the market market right now and see another token doing very well there before we call it a day. Before we call it a day, let's see. Before we call it a day. Okay, high is still there. We have the BLZ still there. We have CAS. Okay, I think what was I even looking at that? The CAS USDT. For the Casper token, what was I looking at? Okay, I was looking at a rejection. Yeah, that rejection actually happened, but I didn't take any trade. Okay, we would have entered with market order, but we didn't take any trade. So just let it play out. Okay. Yeah, we're looking at that rejection at that area of support, but we did not take any trade. So yeah, put an eye on it. Okay, you may be able to see a trade sometime. Okay, during the day and all of that. Okay, guys. So I'll call it a day here, right? Okay, so just smash that like button for me, smash that like button, and then smash that like button, guys. Okay. Smash that like button, guys, before you leave the live show. Okay, we do this every day, Mondays, Saturdays. All right, so I'm not going to go I'm streaming tomorrow except on Monday and all of that. Okay, if you have not joined the Bybit trading competition already, go to the description of this video. Go ahead. Okay, you still have I think the next 5 days or thereabout to join that. So once you click on that link, it will bring you to this page. Go ahead and join my squad, guys. Go ahead and join my squad. We'll be coming home with at least $1 million. Okay. Currently, my rank on the squad. My rank on the squad is around 63, okay, 63, but I need to get to the top 10. The top 10 are the ones who are going home with the money, okay? So let's get to the top 10, guys. Join my squad and let's take it to the top 10 and see how we can start making money, okay? A lot of persons who join the squad have not been trading. I don't know why, okay? Many people who join the squad have not been trading. If all of us have been trading, guys, would have some person just join without trading. But let's see how it goes, okay? So go and join and see, guys. If you don't have a Bybit account, sign up with the first link here, okay? So yeah, bye-bye, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Okay, the discussion continues on the Telegram group. If you are not there already, make sure that you use that link there to join the Telegram. Okay, bye-bye, and peace.